Welcome to Global Campus Group. In this lesson, we begin Unit 2, Developing a Marketing Campaign by examining the principles and purposes of marketing. Marketing is a fundamental business function. It connects organizations with customers, shapes demand, and supports business growth. In this lecture, we will focus on two key areas. First, we will examine the role of marketing and its core principles. Second, we will explore the internal and external influences on marketing activity. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain the purpose of marketing, understand how marketing supports business objectives, and analyze the key factors that influence marketing decisions. Marketing is the process of promoting, selling, and distributing products or services to meet the needs and wants of consumers. It is not simply advertising. It is a strategic function that ensures businesses deliver value to customers. The role of marketing is to anticipate demand, recognize demand, stimulate demand, and satisfy demand. Anticipating demand involves predicting future customer needs and preferences. This allows businesses to plan ahead, identify trends, and develop proactive strategies. Recognizing demand involves identifying current customer needs and preferences. This helps businesses align their products and services with market expectations. Stimulating demand involves creating interest through marketing activities such as advertising and promotion. This encourages customers to engage and make purchasing decisions. Satisfying demand ensures that products or services meet customer expectations. This leads to customer loyalty, repeat purchases, and long-term growth. Marketing also aims to understand customer wants and needs, develop new products, improve profitability, increase market share, diversify offerings, and build brand awareness and loyalty. Understanding customer needs helps businesses create relevant products and effective campaigns. Developing new products allows businesses to remain competitive and respond to changing demand. Improving profitability focuses marketing efforts on increasing sales and optimizing returns. Increasing market share aims to outperform competitors and expand the customer base. Diversification helps reduce risk by entering new markets or offering new products. Building brand awareness and loyalty strengthens long-term relationships with customers. There are two main types of markets. A mass market targets a large audience using generalized products and broad messaging. A niche market targets a smaller specialized group with tailored products and focused messaging. Market segmentation divides a broad market into smaller groups. These include demographic, psychographic, geographic, and behavioral segments. Segmentation allows businesses to target customers more effectively and improve campaign relevance. Marketing is also influenced by branding, brand personality, brand image, and unique selling points. Branding creates identity. Brand personality builds emotional connection. Brand image reflects perception. A unique selling point differentiates the product. Business constraints also influence marketing. These include business size, budget limitations, and availability of specialist staff. These factors determine the scale, quality, and reach of marketing activities. Internal influences include the cost of the campaign, availability of finance, staff expertise, and the size and culture of the business. These factors affect how marketing strategies are designed and implemented. External influences include political, economic, social, technological, legal, environmental, and ethical factors. These factors shape consumer behavior, regulations, and market conditions. Understanding these influences allows businesses to design effective, relevant, and compliant marketing campaigns. Let us now summarize the lesson. We examined the role and purpose of marketing. We explored the 4 key principles of marketing. We analyzed marketing objectives and market types. We explained segmentation and branding. And finally, we examined internal and external influences on marketing activity. These concepts form the foundation for developing successful marketing campaigns. Thank you for joining this lesson from Global Campus Group. In the next lesson, we will continue our study of Unit 2, Developing a Marketing Campaign.